We're at ASGCT 2026 in Boston, and we're still setting up our booth, but we're so excited we wanted to give you a sneak peek. Let's take a look. This year's theme is the School of Scale, and we've brought that through from our AAV insights through all of our technical talks and symposia, as well as our giveaways and activations at the booth. First up, get your ASGCT yearbook photo taken at our AI photo booth. Select your gene therapy era of innovation, your science superlative. You can print the photo, text it to yourself, or even add it to our LED wall. Next, check out our vending machine where you enrich for full capsids to earn our School of Scale merch. Come take a look, there's a lot of great stuff. And back by popular demand are our base bond bracelets. Come build your own, share them with partners and friends. The booth is almost ready. We're so excited for ASGCT this year. We can feel the energy, and we really hope to see you at booth 1349.